Figure AI just proved something that changes everything. Their humanoid robot ran continuously for 52 hours without stopping, sorted thousands of parcels completely on its own, and when it got tired, it requested a shift change. Other robots took over automatically and kept going, no humans involved. This is the moment robotics becomes real. On May 14th, Figure AI started a live stream. They did not release a polished demo video. They broadcast live for over 50 hours while their humanoid robot sorted packages continuously at a conveyor belt. The robot would pick up a parcel, check the barcode orientation, and flip the box so the barcode faced downward. Then it placed the package on the conveyor and immediately grabbed the next one. The speed was impressive, matching what a human worker could do. But here is where it gets really interesting. After the robot worked for a few hours straight, the battery level dropped. Instead of someone coming over and manually swapping it out, the robot did something on its own. It autonomously requested a shift change. The robot communicated that it needed a break. Other robots automatically took over the task without any human intervention. Multiple robots kept swapping shifts among themselves for more than 50 hours straight. Completely autonomous. No remote control, no human supervision. Just robots working together and managing their own shifts. The technology behind this is mind-blowing. Figure AI developed an in-robot AI model called Helix 02. This is the brain of the operation. Brett Adcock, the founder of Figure AI, explained how it all works. The robot determines the position and orientation of every parcel using only pixel information from cameras. It does not use any external signals or markers. The robot is seeing the packages with its eyes, understanding what it sees, and deciding what to do completely on its own. All the AI inference happens on the device itself. The robot is not connected to a cloud server asking for instructions. The thinking is happening inside the robot's computer. This is crucial because it means the robot is truly autonomous. It is not controlled from somewhere else. It is making real-time decisions based on what it sees. The robots are connected to each other through a network so they can communicate and coordinate their shifts. When one robot detects a low battery, it moves to the maintenance area on its own. A replacement robot automatically takes over without any delay. The system is designed to maximize uptime. This is not just a lab experiment. Figure AI has already put their previous model into actual production at BMW's Spartanburg plant in South Carolina. That robot worked 10-hour shifts and moved parts continuously. Over more than 1,000 cumulative hours, that robot was used in actual BMW vehicle production. It worked in the real world. BMW was so impressed that they started a pilot operation with humanoid robots at their Leipzig plant in Germany this year as well. These are not prototype machines sitting in a lab. These are robots actively working in major automotive manufacturing facilities right now. The trend globally is to assign highly repetitive tasks first. Moving boxes, sorting packages, transferring items. Global logistics company GXO Logistics is testing robots from several companies for warehouse work. Agility Robotics deployed their robot for box movement operations. It also signed contracts with Toyota Canada to expand applications to manufacturing sites. This is the beginning. The infrastructure for autonomous robots in real-world industrial settings is being built right now. There is serious competition happening globally. Chinese companies are moving incredibly fast. Yuptech is testing their industrial humanoid robot in aircraft manufacturing processes at Airbus. Their robot can replace its own battery in 3 minutes for continuous operation. This year, they are expanding to mass production with goals to produce thousands of units. Another Chinese company, Agibot, is also pushing hard. Their robot walked over 100 kilometers in a continuous outdoor walk without remote control. It avoided obstacles and determined its own route. Agibot has deployed thousands of units in actual operating environments already. This is creating a race for data. Chinese companies are building operational data through low prices and rapid deployment. American companies like Figure AI are competing with advanced AI models and major clients like BMW. Whoever secures large-scale operational data first will determine the pace of commercialization. This race is happening right now and the stakes are incredibly high. What do you think about this? Are you excited about autonomous robots in factories? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this valuable, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more AI and robotics news every single week. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.